Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 7 stock recommendations by brokerages to buy in September. So, brokerages like Anand Rathi and Equitas have picked these 7 stocks, and they feel that these stocks must be invested or bought in this month. So, we'll get in and see which are those 7 stocks and a quick review of it. So, let's get started. So the stock price is as of 13 September 2019, which is Friday. So first one on the list is Coromandel International. Its current share price is 401 rupees. The 52-week low is 336, whereas the high is 517. The industry PE is 10, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 23, whereas the debt to equity is 0.88. The TTM EPS is 23. The promoter holding is 61%. 1,490 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. The 1 year return is negative, which is minus 0.03. Not a big negative return, but still it is negative. The 3 year return is positive, which is given as 16%, and the 5 year return is also positive, but not a that good return. It is given as only a return of 3.96%, and the target price for the stock is 500 rupees. Next one on the list is Chambal Fertilisers and Chemicals Limited. Its current share price is 159 rupees. The 52-week low is 128, whereas the high is 195. The industry PE is 10, whereas the company PE is 10.56. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 11 and the debt to equity is 2.63. The debt to equity is more here. The TTM EPS is 15. Promoter holding is 58%. 848 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. The 1 year returns are negative, which is minus 0.06. The 3 and 5 year returns are positive and a very good return also. For 3 years, it is given us a return of 36%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 20%. The target price is 200 rupees. Next one on the list is UPL. Its current share price is 578 rupees. The 52-week low is 388, whereas the high is 709. The industry PE is 40, whereas the company PE is 152. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 1.99. The TTM EPS is 3. Promoter holding is 27%. 1,851 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. For 1 year, it is given as a return of 20%, for 3 years, 9%, and for 5 years, it is given as a return of 18%. So, all like 1, 3, and 5 year returns are in positive. The target price is 730 rupees. Next one on the list is ICICI Bank. Its current share price is 414 rupees. The 52-week low is 294, whereas the high is 443. The industry PE is 34, whereas the company PE is 49. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 4.82, whereas the debt to equity is 7.80. The TTM EPS is 8. There are no promoters here, so the promoter holding is 0. 60,852 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. Coming to the returns, for 1 year it is given us a return of 24%, for 3 years 18%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 7.20%, and the target price is 511 rupees. Next on the list is Tata Consultancy Services. Its current share price is 2,143 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,784, whereas the high is 2,296. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 25. The PB is 10. The ROCE is 47, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 84. Promoter holding is 72%. 22,493 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 4%, for 3 years, 21%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 10%. The target price is 2,510 rupees. Next one on the list is Natco Pharama. Its current share price is 570 rupees. The 52-week low is 480, whereas the high is 848. The industry PE is 28, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 2. The ROC is 23, whereas the debt to equity is 0.11. The TTM EPS is 34. Promoter holding is 49%. 656 crores has been invested in this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, the 1 and 3 year return are negative. For 1 year, it is given us a return of minus 31%, and for 3 years, it is given us a return of minus 4%. But the 5 year return is positive, and it is given us a return of 13%. And the target price is 660 rupees. Next one and the last one on the list is Atul Limited. Its current share price is 3,735 rupees. The 52-week low is 2,830, whereas the high is 4,149. The industry PE is 16, whereas the company PE is 23. The PB is 4. The ROC is 26, whereas the debt to equity is 0, which means there's no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 159. The promoter holding is 44%. 2,403 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns, all the returns are in positive. For 1 year, it is given us a return of 19%, for 3 years, 21%, and for 5 years, it is given us a return of 22%. The target price is 4,424 rupees. So these are the 7 stocks picked by many brokerages, and they feel that these stocks needs to be invested in this month. So in September, if you are looking to invest in any of these stocks, you all can consider these 7 stocks which are picked by the brokerages. So these are not stock recommendation from our side, but I just wanted to let you all know that these stocks were suggested by these brokerages, stating that can be invested in this month for a good return, and they have provided with the target price also. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.